you guys, I feel like I haven't recorded a makeup video in a long time. But before we start, you guys know what today is. Today is my birthday. Literally today, my birthday. 32 years ago, I was born, 1988. Yes, so I am honestly so excited. I mean, I'm kind of like depressed at first because it's like the pandemic, you can't really do anything. So I'm gonna, you know what, you know how I'm gonna celebrate? I'm gonna celebrate it with you guys today and getting into a cute little glamorous look, take a few photos and things like that. Also, if you guys can head over to my Instagram, I just posted this sickening birthday shoot I did, and I hope you guys like it and just kind of give your girl some little comments here and there. But other than that, wow, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and dive into some makeup today. There's nothing new I have. Get ready, let's celebrate my birthday. It's all about me. You guys, honestly, I feel like playing with some purples. Like, I don't know, I've been like, you know what, I've been so obsessed with purple eyes and red lips, and I feel like that's not my typical face that I would do. And now you guys have probably thought like I'm gonna do like this natural nude kind of face for my birthday, but I'm kind of feeling like colorful today, and I think we're gonna play with that today. So we're gonna talk, we're gonna chit chat. I'm just gonna go ahead and get some purple on here. Wow, it's so crazy because you guys know, you guys know me very well when it comes to my birthday. Like, I love to celebrate birthdays. Oh, actually, get a little closer. I love to celebrate birthdays, and it's just so crazy. Like this year, like I'm just not able to do anything because obviously we're in a pandemic and, you know, safety first, and I get it, but it just sucks because, oh, you guys, birthdays are like so special. Like, that's the day like you're born, you know? And it sucks also because I don't like to plan my birthdays, so it just really sucks. But you guys, I'm really happy to be home and kind of just really hanging out with you guys and just talk some shit. So yeah, I'm just really getting this purple into the crease. I'm really feeling like doing a super pretty like cut crease, purple on the bottom, very, just very purple, like a perfect red lip. I just feel like that's such a birthday makeup. Taking this purple and just really getting it into this crease and just blending it out. It's so crazy how the years already about to end. I usually think about it when it comes to my birthday because everything this month happens for me. I have birthdays, Christmas, New Year's, my husband's birthday, our anniversary. So you guys, it's just so like such a great way to end a year, but also very like stressed out. And also I want to know how you guys are doing your Christmas shopping. Like, what's going on with that? I know a lot of cities and places are closed right now for you guys. So are you guys doing a lot of online shopping? Are you guys even doing Christmas this year? What is the tea on that? Because I just feel like this year, this is just not the year. And it's just, you know, wow. I feel like that's all I'm gonna do. I really want to talk today about age. When it comes to age, I feel like people that say age doesn't matter, those are the people that really kind of maybe think age does matter. And I do think age matter in a sense. I don't think age is everything. I do think age is something like, especially for me, like I think, you know, age is a way for me to kind of set my life on a time scale or a timeline where it's almost like a way to motivate myself to achieve my goals. And I really did predict that I will be doing exactly what I wanted to do around this age. And it's really crazy, like really do honestly believe me. I've always thought about doing something like this, working for myself, being creative, and just really being your own boss. And I think that's so important, you know? So I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys think age plays a lot in what your life is? Do you think age is something that you guys look into of like a timeline? Like, are you guys doing exactly what you guys are doing, what you guys predicted? I think it's really important, but you know, honestly, age, I don't think age matters when it comes to like looks and things like that. Like, I really don't think so. I know some people that are 55, 60 that are so beautiful and so young and active and amazing and kicking ass every single day. And then I know there's some 20-year-olds that are not doing nothing, you know? So, I want to know, what do you guys think? Now, should I do a white crease or not? I don't know if I should do a white crease. I kind of want to, because I just, not a white crease. What am I talking about? I do want like a white liner. I do. I just love white liner. So I'm just gonna take one of my favorite liners ever. I'm gonna show you guys. Sorry about my nail polish because all the nail salons are literally closed in Orange County and a girl can't get her nails done. So I'm using the House Labs, and I love this one because it's so like permanent. This is such a bitch to take off your eye, which I'm okay with. Oh my god, I can't even talk while I do this, you guys. I'm sorry. You gotta make sure that it's like perfect. I just love white liner because it just makes your eyes look so open. Oh my god, also I bought like some really cool stuff from Morphe that I was like meaning to try. They're not new, but I'm gonna pull it out for you guys in this video later. That will go very well with the purple. So let's go ahead and just kind of get this eyeshadow on. I'm gonna be wearing platinum blonde hair today. Duh. I think the purple is gonna be a really addition to the look. Now, taking this purple here, let's go ahead and go underneath. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's kind of nice. Should I do a red lip with this? I don't know. Oh my god, you guys are gonna die. I don't really talk about where I was born because I guess people don't really ask me. People think I was born in and I lived in Vegas my whole life, but I actually lived there for only like 7 years, you guys. I just wanted to live there. But at the end of this video, I will tell you guys where I was born. And let me tell you where I was born. I have no idea why my mom was even there. I think she was on the way to California, but she just had to pop me out of her stomach. But I will tell you at the end of this video, it's either Kansas, North Dakota, or South Carolina. Isn't that crazy? Like, I still to this day can't even believe like I was there. Like, it's just so crazy. It's so fun. And I've actually been to that city. I was on the World Catwalk tour with season 9 girls, and we were actually in the city that I was born, and I've never been there. Like, I've never been there. There was no reason to even go there because I don't know anyone there. But like, it's just so crazy how like random. So I will be saying at the end of this video and let you guys know, because you guys are probably gonna gag. It's people are always like, really? Like, how are you even born there? Like, what's the tea? Mama, I don't even know. Okay, so I have 2 different shades of purple. I really do just like it like that. So when you guys are doing purple eyeshadows, I always like to kind of have a pink shadow handy, because when you guys blur out purple shadow with pink, it's really pretty. It's like kind of softens up the edges. So I always like to kind of blur like the outer edge like that. You see that? Ooh. See, it kind of like blows it out versus taking that one color and just kind of stretching it out, because when you start to stretch that one color out, it kind of disappears and kind of fades. So just kind of leaving a little room right here, you guys, to kind of really do the cut crease that we want to do today. No, I'm gonna do it like purple, honey. I want purple. Okay, so get that on there like that. I don't know if you guys can still get these. These are the matte and metal melted eyeshadows, and I literally use these to cut the crease all the time. They have so many fucking colors, and they're really not new. Like, I think they sent this to me about like a few years ago, and I have like literally tons of them, and they're fucking amazing. So I went to the Morphe store the other day in San Diego, and not only they were so amazing, the Morphe team definitely took care of me, even Morphe corporate. Like, you guys know I'm a Morphe girl to the heart, and they, you know, had me come into the store, and I wanted to go meet everyone, and I was able to go pick up some product because I'm like revamping some stuff, and I come across these little guys. These little guys are amazing. Well, I don't want to say amazing yet, but I was like, oh wow, I'm so intrigued by them. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get these. You know, and they come in a set of 3. They're all like mixed color. I actually think this is a set and this is a set. And I was like, you know, I like these 2 sets. They definitely stand out to me. You can like kind of put it on the eyes, lips, and whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and combine it with one of the Huda Beauty crease cutters here and see, because I really want a really glittery lid. And you guys know on my channel, like, I don't fuck with like shimmer eyeshadows. It's just not my gag. It's not my thing. It's not what I'm into, because I just feel like shimmer shadows to me, like, it's really hit and miss, and a lot of it has been missing. There's only a few shadow palettes from different brands that I actually really like that actually show up shimmer. When it comes to all these brands, a lot of brands lack the shimmers. They lack it. It looks amazing when you swatch it, but I'm not a swatcher. I just think swatching is just so overrated, and it's just one of those things like, why am I swatching this? Swatch it on your fucking eye. Let me see. I don't care what it looks like on your arm. You know what I mean? On your arm and your eyelid is 2 different things. So anyone that believes in swatching, okay. So I got these. These are like very, like, they're just like little lip gloss looking things, and I'm just gonna try one on one to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna do, okay, so I'm gonna put it on top of the Huda Beauty. I'm gonna put it without Huda Beauty, and then I'm gonna do this one with, because I don't know which color I'm gonna use. So this one's gonna be that. Oh wow, see, look at that. It's like little shimmer eyeshadows. So obviously this is with the Huda Beauty underneath, and this is on the skin. So these work fucking great, you guys. So I really like with the Huda Beauty on, and then the lighter one. So what we do is take the Huda Beauty. These are the, like I said, these are the matte and metal, and I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna carve my lid. Well, not really carve, because it just kind of looks just like my shadow, and it goes on like super matte like that. And think of it as like a cream kind of base color. And then, okay, so when you guys get to these points right here, see how it kind of gets all weird? It kind of stops right here. I like to take a brush and just kind of blur out that weird little area. And then now, Hopefully this works because like I said, swatching is different. So taking this one's called Velocity, and if you guys are shopping at Morphe or online, which I probably suggest online because we are in the pandemic, you guys can use my code Kimora and it does save money off. So these, you get a set of 3. I'm not sure how much it is. Let's go ahead and get this shade and let's just swatch it on the eyelids. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. It's very like wet. I just love the way they feel. Oh my god, I love it. And then same thing here on this eye. Oh my god, look at that. That's so fucking pretty. Y'all, these are so fire. Like, I'm not even trying to sell it to you guys because, you know, you guys probably already have your shimmers that you guys like, but if you guys don't have any shimmers, like, this is so amazing. And what you could do is you can take some shadow, because if you're like really into the shadows, okay, like you're just like, oh my god, I love shadows. Take some shadow and you can just use them almost like a base. See? And you can like set it. And you guys know I just do not wear shimmers like that. Look at that. I'm obsessed. All right, so this is where it gets kind of fun. So I do like it just on the skin by itself. Obviously right here, there's nothing besides skin. So I'm just gonna put a little bit right there. I think I should have got all the colors because these are so like amazing. The gold, oh, the gold is everything. I'm gonna take a little brush. See how easy that is? Like it just goes right on. You don't have to like put a base. You gotta get a brush, pack it on, and then on top of that, you gotta like, hopefully the shimmer that you guys chose would work. So it just like saves you so much steps. So now moving on, I wanna use this Huda Beauty palette right here and really deepen like the edge. Like I really want like a smokier eye. So I'm gonna take that shade and I'm just gonna kind of just blend in the shade like that. And you guys take your time, okay? That brush, make sure you get the right brush size that kind of really fits in your eye. Like when you guys are shopping for brushes at a makeup store, like I always say take it and kind of work it on your eyelid and see if that's the right fit for you, because I'm telling you right now, like anyone that sells you like brushes and you know like they give you like, oh this is amazing, but it might not work for you because your eyelids are different. I always do that when I shop for brushes. I always hold it against my eye just to kind of see what it's gonna do. It just makes more sense. Very in love, very in love. I also got this brush from Morphe too. This is the M143. I think it's on sale. I just bought it so I can kind of like do this. So I can just kind of feel like I'm just important and doing makeup the right way. Now, let's go ahead and smoke underneath. So I'm gonna take this brush. This is the Huda Beauty Eye Naughty Shader. And I'm gonna take this color called Spicy. And I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna run it right here. Ooh, it's pretty. All right, you guys. And then we take a little liner. This is where it's gonna get a little fun. And we're just gonna line it really tight on the lid. Now, when it comes to shimmers, you guys, liquid liner is probably the best. Lately, I've been loving wing liner. I don't know why. Ooh. Oh my god, look at that. You guys, I'm honestly, like, I just want to show you these colors again. So these are the liquid things I'm talking about. I think it's like by the eyebrow pomade section. Like that's the section I got it. And I think there's like 6 different types of bundles you can get. So bitch, I'm about to be trying on that brown one very soon. Wow, you guys, look at this. I'm so gagged and so excited that this eye came out perfect. I love a good purple eye. So now I'm just gonna shade this in to kind of give it some definition. I love a little dramatic inner corner. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I think I kind of want to wear like Baddie B lashes. I think I'm gonna do these. So you guys, Baddie B lashes are one of my favorite lash brands. Now you guys know there's only about 3 to 4 lash brands that I really use, 3 being them normal and 1 of them being magnetic. So Baddie B just came out with this all black set. These are called smoked out lashes, and then you can also get like a fan and things like that. So I do work with Baddie B lashes and I do have a code. So if you guys are looking for hot, fun, big wearable lashes, you guys check out baddieblashes.com, and then you guys can definitely punch in my code Kimora, and it does save you money off at the end of the purchase. So these are the lashes I'll be wearing today. These are the hashtag smoked out lashes from Baddie B. They're new, so stunning. When it comes to Baddie B lashes, you guys, I never have to cut them. I never have to manipulate them. I never have to sit there and curl them. Like, they just really are that perfect, and I love Baddie B lashes. Like, they're just so easy to wear. All right, so take a little bit of glue, and let's go ahead apply on the lash. I always do like a little thin coat of glue. I do love Cami Nguyen's glue. They're the best because she comes in like a duo. I don't know the difference between the black and the white glue, to be honest. I can't sit here and tell you I know, but they both worked great. Oh my god, look at these beautiful lashes. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're so soft. They're like so soft. Oh, high pores. These are so fucking gorge. I need a lot of these. So Baddie B, bitch, these are smoked out, so cunt. And I'm telling you guys, I don't even put mascara on them because I don't feel like they need them. Now, if you're buying lashes from a lash brand and you guys have to put a shitload of mascara on, I would definitely stop buying from them. Because, like, why are you buying false lashes and overly saturating them with mascara? That doesn't make any sense. I mean, if you really want a thick lash, I guess, that does make sense. But I just feel like, why, you know, why do the most with it? Get a lash that you don't have to. As that dries, I'm gonna go ahead and do a red lip. I think a red lip is definitely necessary. So you guys, I wanna try on camera today the Dragon Beauty because I've been wearing it and I've been gagged. Like, it's actually my favorite red. So I'm gonna line my lips as this dries and I'm gonna redo the liner on top of my eyes. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and line the lips. Oh, wow. Oh. Obsessed. So this is the Rip liner. This one's called Supermodel from House Labs, and then I'm gonna try Nikita Dragon. I've tried this before. I'm obsessed with it. It's so fucking pretty. Like, I was so gagged when it came to this red color, and I think she did a really good job. Watch this. Oh, wow. I mean, I've worn so many beautiful red lips before, but this one just, I love it. I mean, look at it. Wow, very Jessica Rabbit. And one more thing, I need to go ahead and reline this on top. So what I like to do when it comes to lashes, you guys, when you get on top, I like to seal it like this. It just kind of like makes that liner like 10 times more perfect. All right, you guys, and then voila, we have the perfect purple eye, red lip. I've been wanting to do this forever, and I was like, you know what, for my birthday, I think this is gonna be a very fun look to do with you guys. So I will be right back. I'm gonna go slap on a wig. I'm not sure about doing red or blonde, probably blonde, and show you guys the final really fun, like, birthday look. So I'll be right back. BAM! Happy birthday to me. You guys, wow. Who said purple eyeshadows don't go with red lips? Like, I'm so wow by this look. Like, I'm very, very happy with it. It's a good birthday look. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling rich, bitch. I hope you guys had a great time viewing this video. Thank you guys so much for even, like, hanging out with me for my birthday, because we're quarantined right now and I'm just kind of just here and just I haven't really been on my phone because I get all like depressed and shit, but I'm gonna go check my phone, you know, go take me some selfie pictures and shit and post it on Instagram and be all just sickening. You guys, I had so much fun. Wow. You guys, I told you in the beginning of this video that I was gonna tell you guys where I was born, which you guys would never fucking guess. I was born on December 15, 1988 in Wichita, Kansas. So if you guys are from Kansas, let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know. I did a show in Wichita and I was so gagged. So isn't that a hoot and a little surprise? So that being said, thank you guys so much for all the birthday wishes. Thank you so much for this love and support. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys are subscribing. And if you guys are coming back, welcome back. And thank you. Like I said, I always say thank you all the time. This weekend's video, I will be doing a great video and I will be showing you guys my big Christmas giveaway. You guys will get the instructions this weekend's video, and it's gonna be a good subject. It's gonna be another rating video. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna rate yet, but since you guys enjoyed the last one, I figured to kind of do like a 2020 rating of something cool. So in the meantime, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Or give this video a thumbs up. I will go take some selfies. Are we done? Is it still my birthday?